Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to do your own gel nails at home. So if you're interested in seeing how I get these beautiful nails, then keep on watching. For this tutorial you're gonna need a nail cutter, a cuticle pusher, a cuticle nipper or cuticle trimmer, an eyebrow cutter, a file, some cream, a base coat. I have this one, this is also a nail polish in one, and finally a top coat. Also an LED light to dry your nails faster. I will link all the products down below if you are interested in them. As you can see, my nails don't look awful, but they definitely need a little bit of love. They need to be taken care of, so the first thing I'm gonna do is clean them with some water and the hand sanitizer. I like to make sure that my hands aren't greasy and that they are well disinfected before I start. Once I'm done cleaning my nails, I like to trim them. If you are okay with your current length, you can file them down instead. But my nails have this little situation right now. They can decide if being altogether long or short, so I will take the lead and cut them down. With the center of the nail clipper, I'm going to clean my nails inside. This is something I always do even if they are clean at all, because I also remove part of that skin inside. Now it's time to give my nails a nice shape with the filer. I always do like an oval shape. I personally think that's the only shape who fits with my hands, so that's the only one I do. So now I'm gonna go ahead and push all of my cuticles back. This step is completely optional, but I'm going to go ahead and trim away all the excess skin or the cuticles that is sitting on my nail that I push back. Before painting, I like to moisturize my fingers and nails and cut the hair of my fingers. This is also optional, but I feel like keeping my life together if I do this step. So now I'm gonna grab my nail polish. As I mentioned, this one is also a base coat, so this is just 2 steps in one. This nail polish is from the brand Neo Nail, and this is like a very light pink color, almost this pinky natural nail color. You can find this nail polish in Douglas, and this is the number 61117. I leave this for 60 seconds and then go to the top coat. The top coat is also from the same brand and its number is 63547. The second time, I let it dry first 60 seconds and then 30 seconds to make sure everything is completely dry. And this is the final result. I love the way my nails come out every single time. It just looks so professional, like I went to the salon. I really do hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial and that you try it at home, of course. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!